What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, got the little Ram, and we're gonna be putting in the Rolls-Royce headliner in this truck. We have it done already to the 4G, which is right behind it. We've already done that. I'm not gonna lie, it was a pain. It was really rough. This one should be pretty easy though, since it's just a single cab. Getting the headliner out should be cake. We're doing, it's a 600 piece, not 1500 piece, so it should actually cut everything in half. But got a little happy. Already started, pulled out the seats, got the seats pulled out already. That's all I got done. So we're gonna start off with probably just start removing everything. Are gonna be spraying it black though. We're gonna do black, and then it's gonna be the Starlight headliner as well. Same thing I've done in the 4-door. Looks a lot better. Yeah, I like the black. The black, I feel like it just looks so much better. All right, let's start off with the handles. Okay, you're gonna want to pop these off. Popped off, you're gonna have two 10s underneath here. Let's get this one off, and then we're gonna get that side off as well, and then we're gonna start up on top. Both sides are off now. I apologize about the sun. Okay, 5/16, flip it, a 5/16 right there. Okay, on this one you're gonna have a hex bolt. Okay, I don't know the size, but you just gotta find it. Let's get that bad boy off though. I found it. It's gonna be T20. That's the size for that right there. She is out. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We've got both the visors out. So up here, that's a Phillips, and then you're gonna pop off. You're gonna want to pop off this bad boy. Okay, you're gonna have a big old hex right there. Take that off, and all I did was just pull this back, so this will pop right out. Good thing we ain't gotta remove none of this. But yeah, let's get this bad boy off. All right, we got both the panels out. Okay, you're gonna want to pop this bad boy off. You're gonna have two hexes right there. The headliner may drop. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not sure. Let's figure it out though. Finally got the headliner out. Actually, it was pretty easy. It was pretty to get the headliner out. But you do have, of course, wires running to the top lights. Just gotta unplug those. And yeah, there's no finessing when it comes to the single cab. It literally drops out and you just slide it out and you're done. But we're gonna get our paint booth ready inside the garage, so we could spray the headliner, and then probably tomorrow we will be doing the Starlight. So crossing our fingers, don't get busy with work. Work has been it's been busy, which is good, but yeah. All right, once you get all the plastics that you want to get painted out, because we're doing all these black. I don't like this color. It's not it. You want to get yourself some alcohol. This stuff works pretty damn good. Okay, you pretty much just want to wipe down everything, get any grease, grime, everything off, and then of course mask off everything that you do not want to paint. So the lights, mirror, everything like that. Okay, we got all these little pieces as well. You want to wipe all those down as well, and then get everything masked off. You got all your plastics wiped down. Now this is the secret ingredient for your paint to stick. Okay, this is what you want to get. I use this one in the Ram. Tell you, like on the handles too, right there on the 4-door, I've had it already done. It's been maybe 8 months. Nothing has came off, not a single thing. This is the secret ingredient though. You have to use this bad boy on all your plastics, else ain't gonna do the job. Once you got all your plastic sprayed with the adhesive, it doesn't take that long to dry. This is what you want to get, vinyl and fabric. So for all this, it'll all work. So we got all the plastics on. We hit about 3 coats on all the plastics. Okay, let me take you to the headliner. So the headliner has 4 coats. It's coming out really clean, but I am gonna need to go get another can, because it's just, you gotta make it filled in, and it's hard since it's a lighter color and you're putting black on. I sprayed 2 extra coats on it to make sure you could not see any of the tan color, and it came out really good. So now we got it in the house. We're gonna start marking and poking, okay? So I usually do though is I just make a line right here because this is where your trim, your weather piece sits inside the truck. You want to cover that. You have little hooks right here, just little stuff like that you want to mark off, you know? Of course, around here as well. We're gonna split it in half and we're gonna do 300 and 300. What do you think, Steph? Good. Steph is gonna be the one, she has a little headache. Steph is the one that's gonna be doing this because I have another project I gotta go work on. So this is gonna be her project. So from now on, she's gonna be recording. It's all her thing. Period. Good? Good.
Okay, so I just finished up the left side of it, and then we went back. We even tried the boxes on the truck, but it's gonna have to sit on the left-hand side. But for now, yeah, we got marked up 300 spots on the left side, and then I'm gonna start doing the right side. All right, so I just finished up the right side of the headliner. So now I'm just gonna start poking it with the sewing needle. That's about the same width for the fibers, for the lights, and then yeah, I'm just gonna start poking through all the holes. So I just finished poking all the holes, making sure that they're good to go. Next I'm gonna count. Well, I need to split all the fibers, so it'll be 300 and 300. And then I'll start sticking them through. So I'm gonna go count them. Okay, so I just started poking all the fibers through. Starting off with the left side, and then I'll move on to the right side, but it's gonna be a minute. It'll take a while to poke through. Okay, so I just finished one side. All of them are pretty much in. So we gotta start the next side after that.
So I'm back in the vlog. Okay, Steph took it over for a little while. I was busy working on another car that we got. So yeah, we're gonna be putting all this stuff back together.
We got it on. We got it all glued. Oh shit. All organized. It's ready to be put on.
Now we
up close person.
Now let's just put
it all back together.
Put it all back together. We do part by part, putting it all back together. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, got the headliner in. We're gonna plug up the box. I'm gonna run it down the driver's side panel. Right down this bad boy. Let's just plug these boxes in. We're gonna toss it up. We're gonna put in our back two hooks, as we've seen, and then we'll put in the hook for the visor as well, and that'll hold up the headliner. All right, so we got all the electrical already hooked up and everything. Got the lights hooked up. Right now, we're gonna be hooking up the box. So I'm gonna take this panel off so we could run it down. I'm gonna run it underneath the carpet and probably just tap it into the cigarette. All right, so it's a couple days later since we finished up the headliner. We finished up at like, I was like what, 11:30 at nighttime. I was like,
for 11:30.
I was like, there's no point of you continuing the video. It was a couple days ago. We got busy with work, of course, but we finished it up and I'm super happy. Steph, I think you're fucking happy with it too, huh?
Amen. Yeah.
So
I'm glad it's done.
Real quick. Boom. Super solid. Yeah, I love the way it came out. I love it. So this was just a start on the interior. Like we said in the video when we did get the truck, we're not gonna go crazy with the interior. We're just gonna do some bucket seats. We want this street truck light as possible. Okay.
Down to no cup holders.
No cup holders. We ain't got no cup holders.
Everybody's got to hold their drink.
Which is all good. I'm not worried about it. But so I have I'm gonna be ordering a Mellings oil pump. It's an upgraded oil pump. So we're gonna be putting that in, and I'm probably just do 180 thermostat, headers, all of it at the same time.
Oh, and he recently cut the springs, so it is now a little bit leveled a little bit. Because before, how was it sitting?
It was like, I was like, no, dude, it was nose diving like crazy.
But we'd park and we can't see the car behind us.
I was like, where did this thing at, man? I had to open up the door a couple of times. But yeah, it's for now, you know, until we could get the 5.7 drop and get it on a drag pack and do all that. we're slowly getting everything going. But yeah,
What drag pack were you thinking? Welds?
Welds.
Forge stars?
I don't know. I like Forge stars. I kind of want to get Forge stars just to match the Infinity.
Hell
just
yeah.
to match them, you know, it'd be pretty sick.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. But we're both happy with the way the headliner turned out. Thanks to Steph for helping. But
Woo woo.
hope you guys liked the video and subscribe.